presenting a pre-owned 2008 Lexus GS. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 75,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.